got a stove working, but no heat. No heat. No heat. No heat. What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to Scratch Outdoors. Oh my goodness, a little chilly this morning. Out here at the camper trying to, well, I don't know if y'all remember, yeah, I probably don't. So the last time I was up here, I was in there and it got cold, and it got real cold and real quick. So I went and turned the propane on to try to turn on the furnace. Didn't get no heat. So my heat's not working. The stove works, lights up fine. But nope, not the furnace. Got a few clicks and whatnot. So I've been doing some research and say I need to do some cleaning out. So I'm about to go out here. And I did take a look, and it is messed up. Check this out. Not sure if you can see all that, but there's some wasp nests and some other junk up in there, and that could be my problem. But we're gonna try to get to the bottom of it today. So I'm gonna get this. I wonder, should I cut the propane on now? Go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and switch it on. All the way open. I know this one is empty, so I know this tank is empty, but the driver's side one is not empty. I had it filled. It's a 30-pound tank. Yeah, I think they're 30-pound tanks, both of them. I got a stove working, but no heat. No heat. No heat. No heat. But my stove is working. Smell the propane outside. I don't know. Let's stick it back in here and see what happens. Got a 13/16 and 11/16. 11/16 for the whole, the base of it, and the 13/16 to take loose the line. If I can. Let's see. Alright, I got that nut broke on the gas line.
When it comes to RV parts, we really don't. Telling us what kind of RV you have, like I said, Suburban, the first 2 digits of RV, year of manufacturer. So, what we experiencing on this one?
Alright, got my gas line loose for the furnace. Push it to the side a little bit. Now let's see, can we get it pulled out? Right.
Let me benefit you from tracking some of the signals. Let's do that on this video. My meter, I'll set it up and we'll start it. Stop. Okay, on this first.
Alright, so it looks like the wires aren't going to let me get it all the way out. So let me see what I can do. Give me a little bit more wiggle room. Just a second.
And then up here on the control board.
I'm back out here in the garage. I'm about to change the filter on the furnace. Not sure if y'all can see me. I'm about to change the filter on the furnace and also the igniter. So the furnace is attempting to light, it's firing or trying to fire, but the igniter isn't sparking, not that I can see anyways. So I'm about to take it apart and see what's going on in there, because I can smell the gas come out. So everything's working properly except for what I think is the igniter. I got a battery and a propane tank in here to simulate if we were in the camper. But yeah, let's get to it. I have a SF-30 Suburban Furnace, and here's the part number for the igniter. I'm gonna go ahead and simulate the start of everything by connecting it to the battery. You hear it? I can hear it trying to light. Those clicks. But it's not lighting. I don't have the propane hooked up. I just wanted to show you that everything's working, but that part of it. See it? Get that out the way. But yeah, I gotta. Get in there. I can't do this and hold this at the same time. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect that. has a little lock washer on it. All right. Glad I bought that gasket because this is that little fiber gasket. Like some of it's left on. So I just blew on that orifice. I just blew on that orifice right here. I blew through here and blew through there, and something came out of it. I don't know what came out of it, but it was clogged with something. So that could be my problem. We're gonna give it another shot now to see if it's gonna spark. Let's see if it's gonna spark now with the, and there's the igniter right there. So let's see if it's sparking. I'm gonna cut this light off so you can see better. All right, so I guess there's a safety mechanism on here that won't allow it to start with that housing taken apart. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swap out that igniter and the burner, because I did get a new burner. I bought a burner, yep. So let me grab that burner really quick. I almost forgot about it. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a new burner. I guess that's the part number. Now look down in here, guys. It's gunking. It's definitely some trash down there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that out and get the new one in. And I'll bring you back once I got the new one in. Then we can put it back together and try it and see if it's gonna spark. All right, guys, I got the igniter out. I'm about to put the new one in. Got the burner out. I'm gonna put the new burner in, the new igniter. But yeah, I gotta get this debris out of here first. Check it out. So I guess I'll turn it on the side and dump it out or something like that. Probably the easiest way. I'm not getting a vacuum to get that. It's a lot for that, but I'm not gonna get to the vacuum and get that little bit of stuff out of there. All right, I got it back in there. The new one, got the new burner. I don't know if you can see that in the new igniter. I just gotta check the gap. I think it's supposed to be an 1/8 inch. So I'm gonna get a 1/8 inch Allen key is what I was told. And get that back in there. Get that back all set, and then put the cover back on it. Cover back along with the new gasket. It's just like that. Perfect. But first, let me set that gap back before I put that down, and I'll be back after that. All right, guys, I got it all back together. I don't know if you can see that. New burner, new igniter. Goes into the board. Let's see if we can get some action. So let's go ahead and do a Test run, make sure it attempts to fire up. Alright, so we got flame. We got ignition now. And I cleaned out everything. So hopefully when I hook this propane up to it, I'm gonna crack this garage door open. I'll open it up a little bit and then try to light it with the propane hooked up. See what happens. Alright, test run with the propane on. Garage door open, front door open to the garage. See what happens. Make sure you stabilize. Cut the gas on. Cut the switch on and see what happens. That flame. Blowing warm air. The repair has been made. Must have been the igniter. New burner igniter. Orifice cleaned out. Had something clogged in it. I think we Gucci. We got heat now. Time to put it back in the camper. Oh yeah, she's throwing some heat. I'm excited. Oh yeah. That heat is feeling good. I can feel it over here. I'm about 3 feet, 4 feet away from it. About 3 to 4 feet away from it, and I'm happy. Can't wait to get it back in the camper. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Share with your friends. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Scratch Outdoors. Peace.